sound isn't a leak, it's just the wind brushing by what I think is the metal rim of the outer window, the window part that opens. It makes a real annoying sound up front. It's loud. Whereas up here, you hear road noise from the wheels, but there's no wind. There's no wind leaking up here. None of that sound that drives you crazy. It's all coming from back here. So I need to find some way to negate that. And you'll notice it's down low too. It's not up here. It's not the window, the wind leaking or anything. It's just all down here. So road tripping in my Winnebago Lesharo, we noticed a lot of wind noise. And the wind noise was largely coming from the sides, the rear sides behind the driver and the passenger. Essentially the windows. But further observation showed us that the windows themselves were not leaking. There was no airflow coming in from the windows or anything. So it's kind of confusing. I finally figured out what the culprit was. And it is a simple thing. The design of this year of Lesharo, the window opens out like that, folds out, and there's a little metal flange right here. You can see it. That little metal flange just goes down on top of the actual window, but not into it. So that little flange right there, as small as it is, it catches a lot of air when you go down the highway. And it's not that it leaks in, it's that it starts to resonate, this little metal lip. And I can show you by blowing on it. Okay, first of all, we'll do on top. Now we'll do down here. See the difference? There's a high pitch buzz from the air going over the window flange. So, a little fix for that, believe it or not, is to seal up that with some black electrical tape. And it's a little dark out here, you can't see it very well, but you can kind of tell right there. But that little thing right there, just covering the lip, the front edge of the window, made all the difference in the world. On both sides, the ride was so much quieter. So that's the problem.